Yes, we have already read about the importance of the trees, ki what is their importance in our life. Now our next topic is how to save trees. Importance हमें पता चल गई कि क्या importance है trees की. Now हम उसको save कैसे कर सकते हैं trees को? How can we save them? So this is our next topic. How to save trees. We can save trees and keep our earth green by following the steps given below. Now, which steps can be followed to save trees that we are going to study? कौन-कौन से steps हैं जो हमें लेने चाहिए ताकि हम trees को save कर सके? First step is we need to plant more trees than we cut down. Planting trees in large numbers is called afforestation. Each one of us should plant at least one tree. We should not waste paper but try to reuse it as much as possible because a lot of trees are cut down to make paper. Now, first point to save trees is we need to plant more and more trees, grow more and more trees. If you are cutting one tree, in place of that, grow more 2 or 3 trees so that there isn't any decrease in the number of trees. एक ट्री आप काट रहे हो तो 2 उगाओ उसकी जगह पे. So growing or trees in large numbers is called afforestation. I have told you the word afforestation. Growing of trees, afforestation. Cutting down of trees is deforestation. Each one of us should plant at least one tree. Each one of us on our birthday at least plant one tree. Each one of you also on your birthday plant one tree and tell to your friends and your parents also. We should not waste paper. As we know that paper, it is made from trees. So trees, they are cut down to make paper. So if we will not waste paper, then trees will not be cut down. And we know that we can reuse paper. एक paper को आप reuse कर सकते हैं. So reuse up to the limit to which you can reuse it. जितनी limit तक उसको use कर सकते हो, reuse करो उसको. Because a lot of trees are cut down to make paper. तो बहुत सारे trees काटे जाते हैं एक paper बनाने के लिए. So reuse paper, don't waste paper. Next, in India, Van Mahotsav is celebrated for a week in the month of July every year. Lakhs of trees are planted all over the country during these 7 days. There is a Van Mahotsav festival, you can say, or day, you can say. Van Mahotsav. It is celebrated for 1 week every year in the month of July. Van means jungle. Mahotsav means festival. Van Mahotsav. So, what is done during this time? This time a lot of trees are planted all over the country and it is celebrated for 7 days. 7 days plants ही लगाने होते हैं. So it is celebrated. So it is a very good step that is taken by the government so that more and more trees can be grown. The United Nations also observes a day called the World Environment Day. On this day, people talk about ways to save the environment. We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th of June. Now, the United Nations, ये organization ने क्या किया है? They have observed a day called the World Environment Day. उन्होंने एक day बनाया है that is called World Environment Day. उस day पे क्या करना है? On this day, people talk about the ways to save environment. This day it is mostly celebrated in the educational institutes. Schools में भी celebrate किया जाता है, colleges में भी celebrate किया जाता है. And what is the motive of this celebrating this day? कि इस दिन पे लोग क्या है? बात करते हैं कि हाउ कैन बी सेव अवर एनवायरमेंट, बात डिसाइड किया जाता है कि व्हाट शुड बी द स्टेप्स दैट शुड बी टेकन टू सेव द एनवायरमेंट, हम अपने एनवायरमेंट को कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द मेन मोटिव ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस डे, दैट इज वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे. इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑल्सो, and it is celebrated on 5th June. Every year it is celebrated on 5th June. 5th June को इसे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे. Now our next topic is importance of wildlife. We have talked about the importance of trees, how can we save trees. Now next is importance of wildlife. What is the importance of wildlife? Animals that live in the wild forest are a part of wildlife. Different wild animals are important to the environment in the following ways. Wildlife, the life that exists in forest, that is called wildlife. Plants also comes under it, animals also comes under it. Now what is written over there? The animals that live in wildlife that come the part of that wild. जो एनिमल फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं वो वाइल्ड लाइफ का पार्ट बन जाते हैं. सो दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज द पार्ट ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ. Different wild animals are important to the environment. Now animals, they are also important to the animals. Environment. How they are important to the environment, that we'll read. क्या importance है animals की environment के लिए? So that we are going to read. First is, all animals depend on plants and on each other for food. This connection between them for food forms the food chains in the environment. The loss of any animal or plant from this chain will lead to another animal dying, causing an imbalance in nature. Now, what is the importance of animals for our wildlife? We know plants, they are the producers of food. Plants अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. Animals, they take their food from the plants. Animals plants से लेते हैं. And इन एनिमल्स को कोई और एनिमल्स खा जाता है, दैट इज लार्ज एनिमल्स जो प्लांट्स को खाएंगे. सो दिस वे देयर इज अ चेन दैट एग्जिस्ट. ऐसे एक चेन बन जाती है जिसे बोलते हैं हम फूड चेन. प्लांट्स हैं, अपना खाना खुद बनाएंगे, दे आर द प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ फूड. प्लांट्स को कोई अदर एनिमल्स खाएंगे, स्मॉल एनिमल्स को खाएंगे लार्ज एनिमल्स. So there will be a large animals को another large animals. So there will be a chain that will exist. Chain एक बन जाएगी. That is called the food chain. Now अगर एक एनिमल भी इनसे मर जाए फूड चेन से, so what will be the effect on the environment? इस एनिमल को जो एनिमल्स खा रहे हैं, they will not get their food. उनको अपना खाना नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि ये एनिमल तो मर गए. So they will also die. उनको खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो they will die of hunger. So there will be imbalance in nature. Imbalance create हो जाएगा. If plants are not there, from where the animals will get food? There will be nothing to eat. अगर plants ही ना हो तो animals के पास कुछ नहीं होगा खाने के लिए. अगर ये animals नहीं है तो उनके पास कुछ नहीं है खाने के लिए. So there will be imbalance that will be created in the nature. Imbalance create हो जाएगा. So imbalance create होगा तो totally हलचल हो जाएगी अर्थ के ऊपर. Environment will be disturbed. Totally disturbance will be created in the environment. So this is the first point कि animals, they are also important to environment. Next, animals such as squirrels, monkeys and even certain birds eat the fruits and seeds of some plants. Sometimes they throw away the seeds to far off places. At other times they eat the seeds, which are later removed through their fecus. In this way, these animals help to scatter seeds. Now there are some animals like squirrels, monkeys and even birds. They eat nuts and seeds. वो nuts and seeds को खाते हैं. And sometimes they scatter the seeds to far off places. जैसे birds हैं, वो अपनी beak में seeds लेकर कहीं और उड़ गए तो वहां पे उन seeds बिखर गए, तो वहां पे और प्लांट्स उग जाएंगे। एंड दीज एनिमल्स दे ईट सीड्स एंड दे रिमूव द सीड्स इन देयर फीकस। वो अपना वेस्ट मटेरियल जब निकालते हैं तो उसमें उनके सीड्स निकलते हैं, तो जहां पे भी वो जाएंगे वहां पे वो सीड्स स्कैटर हो जाएंगे एंड देयर द न्यू प्लांट्स विल ग्रो। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द वे द एनिमल्स हेल्पिंग द एनवायरमेंट, कि प्लांट्स ग्रो होने में हेल्प करते हैं एनिमल्स। सो दीज आर द टू वेज इन विच एनिमल्स दे आर हेल्पिंग द एनवायरमेंट। प्लांट्स को ग्रोथ में भी हेल्प करते हैं एंड फूड चेन में भी। दे क्रिएट बैलेंस इन द नेचर, बैलेंस बनाने में, मेंटेन करने में नेचर के, दे आर हेल्पिंग ओवर देयर ऑल्सो। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। And now, but as this chapter it is project based, I am giving you one activity to do based on this chapter. Now, what is your activity? Your activity is grow one plant in your home garden. Grow a plant in your home garden and click its picture and send it to me. You have to grow one plant in your home garden. अपने घर के गार्डन में एक आप प्लांट लगाना है आपको, and click picture of that plant कि have you grown or not and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. So this activity is marks based. You will get marks for this activity and they will be added in your exams. So I'm giving you time. You have to submit it on Saturday. Saturday आपको submit करनी है ये activity. So this is a simple one. Grow one plant and send it to me. Click a photo of it. मुझे proof मिलेगा कि आपने plant लगा दिया है. So that is all about this. Next we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.